Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone or iPad. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, turn off Bluetooth and turn on again for so after this the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to restart your iPhone. So open lock screen here, and then the next solution is disconnect the Bluetooth device. Forget the Bluetooth device and connect it again. So forget and connect it again. So after this, the next solution is reset network settings on your iPhone. So for the reset network setting, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. So tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on the red button reset network settings. So after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for the update, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So I have the latest version, so go back now. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone Bluetooth issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.